What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Meal Ticket back. Today I got a little update on the Chevy. I've been putting in a lot of work, but I ain't been recording a lot. But give y'all a little bit. Yeah, so pretty much, well, I got that on there. Cause the rain be leaking, I gotta fix that. But I'm pretty much trying everything. Got a new windshield put in. Then I got the spoiler I'm gonna put on. I gotta do the bumper. But yeah. And once I finish all of this, I got the head. I'm gonna do the headliner. Gotta order the headlights. I'm just gonna paint the prime the grill, change out the mesh on that. Other than that, it's just coming along. Oh, and I got parts for days. I gotta take this to get the rear done, either this week or next week. I got the cam, crank, everything for the Motor 3, 3-stroker coming. But I'm about to cut y'all off. I'm gonna get back with doing the spoiler. This the spoiler of the box. I guess this like, I don't know what color this is. It must be some direction. 3M primer. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do it with one hand. I'm gonna cut y'all right back. All right, so it come with instructions. And it's supposed to attach 3M tape. It come with its own finish, like I guess primer or gel coat. I'm gonna sand all that down, well, scuff it up, then prime it. I think these pinholes from the cast or the injection. But what I plan on doing, I'm gonna drill a couple holes, one on this side, one on this side, and attach the bolts to the bottom of this so it can be more secure. And I'm gonna give y'all a little test fit. Cut y'all right back off. Alright. That's what it looks like. But I don't know if I can tell. We're not overheating yet. But it's like a little goddamn gap. And that comes from the 3M tape. So I might just take that shit off altogether. That's what I think about doing. Alright, so got the hose drilled. Both of them. I got the hose drilled for the bolt right here. So it's gonna go through. I'm gonna attach this part to the underside of the spoiler. The bolt, the nut can go in from the inside. So now I'm gonna put the spoiler on, get it even on both sides, tape it down, put a pin through the inside, mark it, so I can know exactly what it's attached to it at. I got it marked up the way I like it. I already showed y'all I drilled the hose. So on the inside, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see, but I got little marks for the bolt. Where is that? It's somewhere. Oh, y'all probably can't see it. I don't know, but I got marked where the bolts gonna go. So now I'm just going to, there you go. Boom. Some marking there. You ain't really see it. But I'm gonna get ready to take it off now. And it's temporary. They're probably gonna tape it to it, tape the bolts to it, just to see if I get it lined up before I finally install it on there. All right, I got the bolts temporary mounted on there with some super glue Gorilla tape. And when I take it off, I marked around it so I know exactly where the bolt go. Did on both sides. So now, moment of truth, I'm gonna try to hook this joint up. Well, I got one hand, put y'all down. All right, got it in there. You can see, I got it with a damn screw. There go one. There go two. It's on there, nice. So the only thing I gotta do now, scuff, prime, and then permanently attach these. I don't know if I'm gonna use Gorilla Glue and probably some JB Weld or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Hit y'all back. Day 2, got plastic weld. on the bolts. I like the way it's kind of sturdy. This is kind of flexible too. I had original JB Weld, but it cracked on one of them, so I went and put this over top of it. I did on both of them because one cracked, the other one didn't. So I'm gonna just put it on real quick so y'all what it look like and cut y'all back on. All right, that's just on there. I ain't put it all the way down just for the fact. It needs like a little gap. Once I tighten it down, that'll get rid of that. Same thing with this side. See that go down? You can see. Let's go. Boom, that's one. Boom, that's two. And I got a lock nut once I'm pulling. It's already been scuffed, so I'm about to just prime it and then probably put it on here. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I don't want that. But yeah, that's just okay. Alright. 3 coats of primer. That's just I use, got from O'Reilly's. Alright, there's smooth 3 coats on it. I'm gonna let it dry, probably like the next 10, 15, 20 minutes before I go ahead and assemble it on the hood. I'm gonna check the trunk. Then I hit y'all back. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. I got lock nuts, washers. I'm about to put it on the trunk. I'm gonna probably put some, let me see if I got it in here. I'm gonna throw some of this around the hose just to give it an extra little protection. Alright, it's on there. Well, I put some sealing around it, some Gorilla Glue adhesive, and right now I think I'm gonna have to go back and redo it. I broke one of the bolts, damn JB Weld, but right now this gonna have to hold post right tomorrow, so I'll give y'all an update later on. Me to get out. I'm back a couple days later, but this is the way I got it mounted now. These are original, same 2 bolt holes. And then I put a screw on this end, screw on this end. These two can unbolt, but these are metal taps. And I kind of like countersunk the hose, filled up with foam. Then I put 3 layers fiberglass over top. So I'm gonna let this dry. Then I'm gonna sand it, then reprime it. 45 minutes. Put 3 coats. 3 layers of fiberglass. Sand it all down. Now I'm gonna just add body filler. I'm gonna do fiberglass filler first. Then go back over with regular body filler after that. So there we go, first round of body filler. I'm about to block it down with 80 and see what it look like, fill out, and I'm gonna do it again. Now hit y'all back. Got it sanded down, hit it with 80 grit. Another step that I don't really show, because I be doing too much, is I wipe it down in between with wax and grease remover. So now I'm gonna just hit it with some regular Bondo body filler, then let that set. Then I'm gonna prime it, then I'm gonna cut y'all back. Got the body filler. Now I'm wiped it down. About to spread with a round of primer. Alright. Can of primer later. fiberglass bondo and fiberglass resin. Boom. All done. Look way better. All right, this 1 minute videos. I'm gonna start recording more and more frequent. My next one will be on the rear end. About to get that done probably next week. So, all right, meal ticket out.